Home decor trends in 2025 are all about balance, blending the sleek simplicity of minimalism with the bold flair of maximalism. This harmonious combination invites homeowners to create spaces that are both serene and full of personality. Whether it's through bold accents in neutral rooms or sculptural furniture that doubles as art, these trends cater to diverse tastes. As we embrace this fusion, homes become more than just living spaces. They become reflections of individuality, creativity, and comfort. Bright colors in neutral rooms. Minimalist areas focus on simplicity, but in 2025, bold accents will add eye-catching details for a perfect mix. Picture a simple living room with plain walls and furniture, made more interesting by a big, colorful piece of abstract art or a bright chair. These bold touches bring character and richness while still keeping the peaceful feel of minimalism. Keeping the space clean and organized highlights the bold accents, creating a calm and exciting atmosphere. Layered textures. Mixing different textures is a key part of the minimalist and maximalist style for 2025. Modern materials like glass and metal feel cozier when combined with natural wood, fabrics, or fake fur. For example, a plain white sofa looks cozier with a thick knitted blanket and a fuzzy wool rug underneath. This variety of textures makes places more interesting without making them messy. Layered layers, whether soft or strong, create a balanced look that feels both stylish and comfortable. Statement ceilings. 2025 transforms ceilings into creative paintings. Now, instead of just painting walls, ceilings are becoming a main focus with bright colors, detailed designs, or fancy moldings. A simple and soft room can look more stylish with a bright ceiling painted in a rich color or decorated with patterned wallpaper. Statement ceilings catch your attention and make rooms look bigger while adding style and flair. This trend is great for those who want to incorporate maximalist touches in an unexpected, stylish way. Furniture that looks like art. In 2025, a big style in home decor will be furniture that is both useful and artistic. Stylish chairs, coffee tables, and light fixtures have unique designs that make a statement, even in simple rooms. Imagine a curved couch or a coffee table with unique shapes. They are both useful and grab attention. These items help start conversations and are also useful. Choosing sculptural furniture adds bold, artistic pieces to your simple decor, making your space look stylish and lively. Maximalist corners. Maximalist corners are a fun way to use bright decorations while keeping the rest of the space simple. Picture a cozy reading corner with colorful chairs, soft rugs, and interesting art on the walls. The trick is to limit the bold style to one area, making it stand out from the rest of the room. This method maintains a unified design while letting in fun, colorful elements that show personal style and bring happiness. Eco-friendly options. Sustainability is still important in 2025 decor trends, combining simple and bold styles. Eco-friendly furniture made from reused wood, recycled materials, and natural fabrics brings charm to places while helping the environment. For example, a simple dining table made from recycled metal looks great with bright, homemade cushions or rugs. This trend helps homes choose stylish options that are also good for the environment, showing that being eco-friendly and having a nice design can go together in any modern home. Different types of metals. You no longer have to choose just one shiny look. In 2025, mixed metals are popular in home decor, adding depth and variety to rooms. Gold, silver, and copper can look great together when they are matched well. A simple kitchen with stainless steel features can feel cozier with a copper light and brass handles on the cabinets. This trend promotes imagination, giving homeowners the chance to mix different finishes and colors to make their spaces feel rich, lively, and stylish. Natural elements. In 2025, decor that is influenced by nature will be very important in design trends. Minimalist interiors become more welcoming when accented with organic materials like stone, wood, and plants. A basic room with white walls can feel lively with a stylish stone coffee table or a beautiful indoor tree. Natural light makes this look even better, highlighting the beauty of these features. Adding natural textures and plants to your home creates a peaceful atmosphere, combining simple design with the cozy feel of nature. Bringing back old styles or trends. Mid-century and retro designs are becoming popular again and mix well with simple styles. Simple styles and classic shapes from the 1950s and 60s blend well with current features. For example, A stylish mid-century armchair in a bright color can make a minimalist sitting room more interesting. Retro lighting, like globe hanging lights or arc floor lamps, improves the style of a room. This trend helps you enjoy the classic look of retro style while keeping your space neat, modern, and elegant. Layered lighting in 2025, lighting is not only for use but is also designed to add depth and atmosphere. Minimalist areas look more interesting with a mix of pendant lights, wall lights, and floor lamps. A modern hanging light brightens up a room, while a stylish floor lamp adds an artistic touch. Accent lighting, like LED lights under shelves, highlights certain areas. Using different types of lighting can make simple areas feel warmer and more interesting, creating a cozy and attractive atmosphere. Dynamic wallpaper in 2025, wallpaper makes a comeback with bright colors and bold designs. Minimalism focuses on simple, clean walls, but adding one wall with vibrant wallpaper can create an eye-catching highlight. Wallpaper comes in various styles, like floral and geometric patterns, adding character to a room without being too much. Using bold wallpaper with simple furniture creates a good mix. This trend is a simple way for homes to try out maximalism, letting them update their spaces while keeping a calm and peaceful feel in their decor. Custom areas personalization is key in decor styles for 2025. Simple spaces can feel special with decorative items that show personal style, like family keepsakes, trip mementos, or unique art. A simple desk can show off interesting items with books for a stylish appearance. Personalized areas mix simplicity with emotional warmth, making homes feel cozy and genuine. This style shows that minimalism can be personal and meaningful, not just plain and empty. Conclusion: the 2025 home decor trends prove that minimalism and maximalism can beautifully coexist, offering a fresh perspective on modern interiors. By combining clean lines with bold details, sustainable choices, and personal touches, homeowners can craft spaces that are uniquely their own. These trends encourage creativity and balance, making every home a sanctuary of style and self-expression. As you explore these ideas, let your decor reflect your personality while embracing the exciting evolution of design in the year ahead. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.